Welcome to the comprehensive guide to the industry's gold standard mechanical certification, EASA Part 66, Subcategory B1.1, Aeroplanes Turbine Maintenance. We begin with the context of this certification, exploring the regulatory framework and the global market demand for this crucial skill set. The Category B1.1 license is a complex motor-powered mechanical license, allowing the holder to issue certificates of release to service for aircraft maintenance. This includes defect troubleshooting, component inspection and replacement, and system functionality testing. The foundational knowledge for B1.1 includes core scientific modules. Module 1 covers mathematics, Module 2 focuses on physics, and Module 3 dives into electrical fundamentals like electron theory and AC/DC circuit analysis. Module 6 covers materials and hardware, focusing on the physical makeup of modern aeroplanes. Key topics include ferrous and non-ferrous alloys, corrosion identification and control, and fasteners, pipes, and unions. Module 7A focuses on maintenance practices, essential for every B1.1 technician, precision in tool handling, and rigorous documentation or reprimand. Mastery of tools like calipers, micrometers, and torque wrenches is key to airworthiness. Further study includes Module 8, Theory of Aerodynamics, Module 11A on aircraft systems covering hydraulics, electrics, and environmental control, and Module 15, which focuses on gas turbine engines. The market demonstrates strong growth potential. The global MRO market is projected to reach $66.2 billion by 2030, with a shortage of over 600,000 technicians anticipated by 2040, highlighting high demand for B1.1 license holders. The examination roadmap highlights critical modules. Aviation legislation and human factors are essential and critical, respectively. Aeroplane aerodynamics and systems and gas turbine engines, Module 11A and Module 15, are rated as high complexity. Module 15 focuses on propulsion systems, covering the Brayton cycle, engine construction, and integrated systems. Technicians must learn to troubleshoot issues like compressor stalls, turbine erosion, and combustor problems in high bypass engines. The certification pathway involves 4 steps: basic training through Part 147 approved schools, passing module exams with a greater than 75% mark, acquiring practical maintenance experience, and finally, applying to the NAA for the aircraft maintenance license. For more information, please visit our website at aeromaintenancehub.com or access the introductory training course via the link provided.